Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Robinhood customer support. First, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down robinhood.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage, in the top right there's the support icon. You need to select that. And once inside the support here, so over here you can find these questions. If you need any help with the getting started, account and login investing, what you can do is you can open it, or you can also go to this view all. If you need support on investment, what you can do is open it. And after that, you can find this instruction over here. If you need more help, you can also call to this Robinhood. You can call the number 1-888-275-8523 for support related specifically to Robinhood. And that is it. And before contacting customer support, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.